Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I got a new update for the Crawlomatic plugin. Starting from now you will be able to scrape files of any file type which is located in the post content that you import using the plugin. So for example, if you have PDF files, mp3 files, video files linked in the scrape content that you import using the plugin, Crawlomatic can automatically copy all these files locally to your own server storage and link them from your storage in the scrape post content. So let me show you this in action. I will use Crawlomatic. It will be also linked in this video's description if you want to check Crawlomatic, and I will use it to scrape this website. So this is an ebook downloader website which offers PDF, MOBI, EPUB, AZW free versions of ebooks, and you can download them from here. So let me go ahead and scrape this page where all the ebooks are listed which start with the letter A. So for this, let's copy this URL, paste it here. In the scraper start seed URL settings field, click settings, scroll down, check the do not scrape seed URL checkbox to not create a post for this website, but only get the links of the ebooks from here, and click visual selector. Now highlight a row where an ebook is available, and this will allow the plugin to get the link from it and to generate and to get all the links from this page, which are ebooks. Now let's scroll down, and in the content query type, click visual selector. If you've done everything correctly, a post will open up, an ebook post. Now all we have to do is highlight the part where the links are available and click it. Okay, now let's go ahead and check this to see what type of files we will scrape. So we have PDF file, and in the new feature of the plugin where you will be able to copy files locally to your server, you can enter PDF, comma, and enter MOBI, comma, EPUB, comma, and AZW3. Using these settings, the plugin will copy all these files locally. So now let's check our test site. It's empty, and now let's run scraping. So if everything is done correctly, the plugin will go ahead and scrape these files from the source here and also copy the files locally to our server. So now let's refresh because importing is finished. And if you check the bottom of the screen where you will see the links appearing, all are copied locally. And if I open one, a local PDF will be opened for me. Same for the MOBI, which is also able to be downloaded, EPUB and AZW3. Okay, so keep in mind this feature will allow you to copy any file types that are available in the scrape content using Crawlomatic. Just search for copy these file types locally. This can be also used together with copy images from content locally, which will copy the images found in the post content only, but these files can also be added to the images. Okay, so I hope this feature will be useful for you. Until next time, subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this content. Crawlomatic is linked down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.